Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. It's great to be here with you today. I feel very happy. How are you?
I'm great, Paul. I'm happy too. And a big hello to all our wonderful listeners. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, we are. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our podcast, give us a like and share it with your friends. It helps a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you. So, Paul, what is our topic for today?
Today, we have a very fun topic. We are going to talk about the past. We are going to talk about when we were children.
Oh, I love this topic. Our childhood. It's full of memories, and it's a great way to practice the past tense in English.
Exactly. We will teach you how to talk about things that happened before now, in the past. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go back in time. So, Paul, to start, what were you like as a child?
Let me think. I think I was a quiet child. Yes, very quiet. I liked to read books. What about you, Emily? What were you like?
Me? Oh, I was not quiet. I was very energetic. I had a lot of energy. I was always running and playing.
Wow, the opposite of me. That's funny. So, listeners, you can hear we are using two special words, was and were.
Yes, to talk about how we were in the past, we use these words. For I, he, she, and it, we use was. For example, I was quiet. She was energetic.
That's right. And for you, we, and they, we use were. For example, a parent can say, you were a happy baby. Or we can say, we were friends in school.
Exactly. My brothers, for example, I have two brothers. They were very noisy.
I can imagine. My sister and I were very different. I was quiet, and she was very talkative.
Ah, that's interesting. So I was energetic and you were quiet. Okay, so now let's talk about activities. What did you do for fun?
Well, because I was quiet, I liked quiet activities. For example, I watched a lot of cartoons on TV every Saturday morning.
Oh, me too. I loved cartoons. See, listeners, Paul said, I watched cartoons. The verb is watch, and to make it past, he added ed at the end.
Yes, for many verbs in English, we just add ed to talk about the past. They are called regular verbs. Watch becomes watched.
It's a simple rule, and it's very useful. So I played outside a lot. Play becomes played. I played with my friends in the park.
That sounds fun. I also played with my toys. I had many toy cars. I liked my red car the most. Like becomes liked.
A red car. Nice. I listened to music on a small radio. Listen becomes listened. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D.
That's a great example. So we have watched, played, liked, listened. Many, many verbs follow this rule. I visited my grandparents every Sunday.
Oh, that's sweet. I talked to my best friend on the phone for hours. Talk becomes talked.
It's easy when you see the pattern, right? Just add ed. But Emily, English is sometimes a little tricky. Not all verbs are like this.
Yes, you are right, Paul. Some verbs are special. They are called irregular verbs. They don't follow the ed rule.
Let's talk about one. let's talk about food. What was your favorite food as a child?
Ooh, pizza. I loved pizza. But I also ate a lot of fruit. My mom always gave me apples.
Ah, you said ate. That is a perfect example of an irregular verb. The verb is eat. In the past, it's not eated. No, it's ate. A-T-E.
Exactly. I ate apples. What about you, Paul? What did you eat?
I ate a lot of sandwiches. My dad made great sandwiches. And I drank a lot of milk.
Drank. Another good one. The verb is drink. In the past, it becomes drank. So today, I drink water. Yesterday, I drank milk.
Perfect explanation. So eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank. These are irregular. You just have to remember them.
Let's think of another one. Ah, the verb go. Where did you go on the weekends?
My family and I went to the park. Go in the past is went. W-E-N-T. We went to the park every Saturday.
That's a very common one. I go to school. But in the past, when I was a child, I went to a small school.
Yes, exactly. Speaking of school, did you like school, Emily?
Yes, I did. I liked my friends and my art class, but, I did not like math.
Me too. I did not like math. Listeners, did you hear what Emily and I said? Did not like. This is how we make a negative sentence in the past.
That's right. It's a very important rule. We use did not and then the simple verb. We do not add ed.
So we say, I did not like math. We do not say, I did not liked math. The did tells us it's the past.
Exactly. And the short form of did not is didn't. It's very common. I didn't like math.
I didn't play soccer. I was not good at it. What about you?
I didn't watch scary movies. I was afraid. So remember, didn't plus the simple verb. I didn't eat broccoli. He didn't go to the party.
Good examples. Now, how do we ask a question about the past? For example, I can ask you, Emily, did you have a pet when you were a child?
Oh, that's a great question, Paul. And yes, I did. I had a cat. Her name was Mimi.
Mimi, what a cute name. So, to ask a question, we start with did. Did you have a pet? And again, the verb have is simple. We don't say, did you had.
That's the rule for questions. Did plus subject plus simple verb. Did you play the piano?
No, I didn't. I played the guitar a little. Did you live in a house or an apartment?
I lived in a small house with a big garden. I loved that garden. You see, Paul asked, did you live? And I answered, I lived, with ed.
Perfect. Let's talk more about our homes. My family had a small apartment in the city. Have is another irregular verb. In the past, it's had.
Yes, have becomes had. I had a cat. You had an apartment. It's the same for everyone. I had, you had, she had, we had. Easy.
It is easy. In my bedroom, I had a blue bed and a small desk. I did my homework on that desk.
Oh, did. That's another verb. The verb do, the past is did. I do my homework today. I did my homework yesterday.
Yes, it can be confusing. Did is used for questions and negatives, but it's also the past of do. Context is very important.
That's a very good point, Paul. Okay, let's talk about favorite things. What was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy was my set of building blocks. I made big castles.
Made. Another fantastic irregular verb. Make becomes made. M-A-D-E. I made drawings for my parents.
That's so nice. I bet they loved them. What about movies? What was your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I think my favorite movie was The Lion King. I saw it in the cinema.
Oh, a classic. I saw it too. The verb is see. The past is saw. S-A-W. I see a bird. Yesterday, I saw a movie.
You're doing a great job finding all these irregular verbs, Paul.
Well, they are everywhere when we talk about the past. What about books? Did you read a lot?
Yes, I did. I read many storybooks. The verb read is a very special one.
Oh, yes, it's very tricky. The spelling is the same. R-E-A-D, but the pronunciation is different.
Exactly. Today, I read a book. But for the past, yesterday, I read a book. It sounds like the color red.
That's a great tip to remember it. I read a lot of adventure books when I was a boy.
Me too. I loved them. Let's do a quick review, Paul. This is a lot of information for our listeners.
Good idea. So, first, to talk about how things were, we use was and were. I was happy. They were friends.
Then, for many actions in the past, we use regular verbs. We just add ed. I played. She watched. We listened.
But some verbs are special or irregular. They change. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Have becomes had.
And to make a negative sentence, we use didn't plus the simple verb. I didn't like the food. He didn't go to the party.
And finally, to ask a question, we start with did. Did you see the movie? Did they play outside?
Wow, we covered a lot, and it was so much fun to remember our childhoods. I had a really good time talking about this.
Me too, Emily. It was wonderful. It's nice to remember the simple times. I felt very happy as a child.
Oh, felt. The past of feel. Another irregular verb. They just keep coming.
They do. You can't escape them. But they are not so scary. With practice, they become easy.
That is the most important thing. Practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just try to talk about your day yesterday or your last weekend.
Yes, exactly. Use these words. I went to the store. I ate pasta for dinner. I watched a movie. It's great practice.
This was so much fun, Paul. I feel like I know you a little better now, knowing you were a quiet child who liked to read.
And I can picture you as an energetic child, running in a garden and playing with your cat, Mimi.
Yes, that was me. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today. This was a fantastic conversation.
It really was. We hope all of you at home learned a lot and had fun with us. Learning the past tense is a big step in English.
It is, and you all are doing a great job. So now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Yes, please leave a comment below this episode. Tell us one thing about your childhood. What did you do? What did you like?
You can write, I played with dolls, or I ate ice cream, or I was a happy child. Anything. We would love to read your memories.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel. Also, give us a thumbs up and share this with friends and family who are learning English too.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you all for listening today. It was a pleasure.
Thanks, everyone. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.